Bonjour, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Rijja Kausarla and today's grammar topic is Les articles part 3. In this part, we will cover the partitive articles in French. For the previous parts 1 and 2, I have covered the indefinite and definite articles as well as the contracted articles with the preposition a and with the preposition the. I'll attach the links to both the parts in the description box. Les articles partitifs, the partitive articles. So in French, the partitive articles are formed in the same manner as the contracted articles with the preposition the. But the meaning is different. The partitive articles are used to denote an unknown quantity. In English, they are translated as some or any. On the other hand, the contracted articles are more like prepositions. So, seeing the formation, the plus the definite article, the plus la becomes du and is used before masculine singular. The plus la becomes the la used before feminine singular. The plus le becomes they used before plural, both masculine and feminine. And finally, the plus L apostrophe becomes the L apostrophe used before nouns, singular nouns having a vowel or a muted H. So here I have listed out some examples to denote the difference between partitive articles and contracted articles. Je prends du café. I drink some coffee. Elle rentre du bureau. She comes home from the office. Nous mangions de la pizza. We eat some pizza. C'est le stylo de la secrétaire. This is the pen of the secretary. Il ne boit pas de vin. He does not drink any wine. Il ne parle pas du prof. He does not speak of the professor. Il n'y a pas d'eau dans la bouteille. There is no water in the bottle. And je ne vois pas les animaux du zoo. I do not see the animals of the zoo. There's another difference that is in the negation. While we change a sentence into negative, the partitive article becomes the or the apostrophe. However, this does not happen when we use contracted articles in the sentence. For example, je prends du café. I drink some coffee. Je ne prends pas de café. So you notice on changing the sentence to its negative, we change the partitive article du to the. Similarly, il mange de la salade. Il ne mange pas de salade. He does not have any salad. So on changing the sentence to its negative, we change the partitive article de la to the. However, this does not happen if we had used contracted articles in our sentence. So this is it for this part of the video. If you like the video, do hit the like button, and if there are any queries, I would be happy to answer them in the comments. Do subscribe to my channel. Merci!